nickname for this channel. And today we are going to have a special guest, but you might be thinking, why a special guest? It's your first real kind of crafty video, because our other video was basically only a skit. So, you might think that, but if you didn't think that, then do something. And now, welcoming our special guest, Baby B.
Hi, this is our example of what we are going to do. It's like kind of cardboard covered in tin foil. If you can't see the thing, it's a flower. Here's a close-up.
Close-up.
Yeah. There. Or should I just put it at the screen? Here. This is what it looks like. So, we're going to make one of those.
They're called, and they are called metallic room decor, which I cannot pronounce the O-R sound.
Decor.
She can pronounce it. And what you are going to need to make this is cardboard, scissors, Sharpies,
Tinfoil.
okay.
Mountain spray.
Oh, you are going to need some tape. This is optional, and
Oh my gosh, it just...
these are optional. And what they're called.
accessories.
And that's about all. This is optional, and this is optional. So what you are going to do for this, you are going to draw out a shape, which we have both already done. Then you're going to start cutting your shape out. I am cutting out little strips just to make it a bit easier for myself. It is easier if you do this, I promise you. But if you don't think it's easier, then comment down below, because it's kind of weird if it's not easier for you. Maybe if you're left-handed, because I'm right-handed.
I'm left-handed.
That is our video ticket. Yep, yeah. I'm done.
I'm not.
And with your scrap, you're just going to throw in the trash. Or if you have a use for them, totally use your use. Now I'm going to wait until Baby B finishes cutting.
Stop calling me Baby B. I'm not a baby.
I know, but you're little.
I'm the littlest one on this YouTube channel. Well,
Okay,
video.
while she keeps doing that, I'm going to start tracing out how mine is going to look without the tinfoil.
B, you can't start without me.
I am the queen bee.
So hard. All the way through it. I need another. B, I really need help.
Okay, I can help you, and I am the queen bee. Remember that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, do you want me to cut the rest out for you?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just cut it on this side. Yep.
going to be really easy for you.
There we go.
Thank you.
So you are going to start tracing out the word. Her word is right over here. She is doing the word crafty because I'm doing a bee, she's doing the word crafty. So that means Crafty Bees, which is our channel's name.
Our channel's name?
Many. Our channel's name.
Yeah, I'm part of her channel.
Anyone who comes on our channel is part of our channel.
Can I make a little dot right there? I like that.
Yes.
Bam.
If you do not want to trace yours on your cardboard, you are allowed to do that. It works. You also can add color to your design.
I'm done.
Okay, let me just finish.
Don't forget to color in yellow too.
And just so you know, you have to make your words a bit smaller because it would look like karate on there.
Karate!
Karate. Yep.
Okay. And so we're just gonna...
I'm gonna
finish.
cover
it with tinfoil.
Okay. I'm actually almost done, so...
No go.
Yep. No, I need that picture, okay? Baby. So I'll get out us both the tinfoil. And to get out the tinfoil...
I'm doing the shiny side.
I have no idea what side I'm doing.
I'm definitely doing the shiny side.
If you didn't already know, most tinfoil has different sides.
Hey, you want some tinfoil?
Oh, I didn't know you wanted to get out your tinfoil. Okay, here's your tinfoil. This is the shine side. This is the dull side.
Shiny. Dull side. Okay, flip over. Now.
You have to cover it.
Covering. I have way too much tinfoil.
Then you can cut some off with your scissors.
Thank you. I have no idea why I'm talking like this. Weird.
Okay, I've already covered mine. Now I am going to tape the stuff down. That is the next step.
Okay, never mind. I'm not cutting it. This does not look like a heart.
If it does not look like a heart, I can help you.
I need a new piece of tinfoil.
Sorry,
Maybe not.
my taping is very messy. Because it is. I bet you can do it. Look, so you have to, on that little dub, you have to kind of rip the tinfoil. If you're doing a heart and the little part that goes in on the heart, you have to rip the tinfoil or it's not going to work. Because that's exactly what I did. And for her, okay, I'm going to cut that.
I need a
And
little,
that's
how it turned out.
That's how yours turned out. And this is how my
Let's
turned
both
out
give a close up.
right now.
Close up of mine.
And then mine. That is our close. Okay, now the next step
Yours is more
is
flat than me.
to draw on yours. To make it flat, you have to push it down on here because you found out that. Okay, now you have to draw your shape. This part could be hard.
Mine is finished. I'm just going to need a little tape on the back.
And
If I want a shield, I'll have to paint like.
And you
something
can
put it
also-
onto, or you can put tape on it so you can like tape it on the wall right here or somewhere. Yeah.
And you can also add accessories, which you might do. Do you want to
Yes,
add
I
accessories?
definitely want. to.
Okay, which ones do you want to add? These
I
like
want
sparkly things. Okay,
Okay.
you can put like one. And to put them on, you have to let me spray for you because it's kind of hard. Where do you want it?
right there.
Okay, that went on. Now you just stick it on.
And right there.
Okay. You have to spray very lightly if you're using mounting spray for yours.
And then I want it right here. Wait,
Where?
actually. there. Then I want it right here. Then I want one right here.
Okay.
Okay, I need another flower. Here, I'm gonna get a close up of mine. I'm gonna show you a close up. Close up. Mine. Isn't it cute?
And
Has flowers on it. Flowers. They don't smell.
And after I finish this, we are going to show you a little like model stuff of what we just made so you can see how it looks on a wall. But that's only if you want to see it. You could also turn it off after this, or you could watch the bloopers that will be at the end of the video.
Oh, B, can I tell them something?
I'm Queen Bee.
I mean, like, Queen Bee, can I tell them something?
Yeah, tell me.
So this is not my house, so I'm not gonna have my one on my door. I have another one of these. It's like
She has one on her.
a circle. I forgot what type of circle it is. It has like sides and it has my name on it. It's at my house on my bedroom door. So it's not my house, so we're not gonna show them. Yeah. So bye guys.
Okay. Now I am done, and here's my little close-up for you guys. If you guys like mine,
It's so
put a thumbs up on it, and write in the comments, I like yours!
and write in the comments.
And that is all for